Time now is 12:22. And this is for the 12:24 1 Whiskey 56 Transport for Wales service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly. It's a 2008 barrier here now. And also the barrier arm on this side has been replaced as well, I've noticed. Although it's not brand new though, because it has been here for at least a year now. And also the barrier on that side is a Smith's barrier, which I believe is at one of Marshbrook's old barriers, because a car crashed into the barrier over there. 175 107.